Hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how we can scrap Arbeitsagentur to our website. This is a very popular German website which posts jobs on a daily basis which we can scrap using Octoparse. And in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step tutorial on how we can use this website to scrap the leads out of it. Okay, before we start this tutorial, I wanted to let you know that I have been doing web scraping, AI automation, CRM management, and much more for the past 3-4 years, uh, completing over 5 to 600 projects for clients worldwide. So if you want to work with me, you can contact on my email that is shown on the screen, so we can get started. Okay, now we will start the tutorial and I will show you what to do. Now we are on this page, jobs. Okay, that means we are seeking the job. Now from here you can choose any category that you need. So for this video I'll be choosing IT, and I'll go to computer science. Click on there. I will just click on this link. Okay, I will just click on that link and I will just click on Stellenfinden. Okay, now you can see we are on this page and it has generated a unique URL for us. So we will copy that URL. After copying this URL, we'll open up our Octopath screen. Right now we are on our Octopath screen. Now how to scrap is basically we can click on this new arrow here and then we'll click on custom task. After that we will open with this screen. Now we can paste in this URL and then click on save. After that's done, we will wait until the website is fully loaded. Okay, now the website is fully loaded. For After that, we will do is to increase the timeout from 120 seconds to 300 seconds. That is important because we want to lenient on websites, so it should slow properly. After you click on save and we'll click on got it. Now what we will need to do is click on the browse button mode on. That will actually enable us to do the normal clicking just like we do on the website, and we click on the cookies to accept. Okay, after that is done, we'll turn off the browse mode and then you can see this. Okay, now we are on the screen. Now what we need to do is basically we need to click on auto detect web page data, and what it will do is basically it will automatically detect the web page for you and it will automatically get the elements for you that you need, right? So it works on 90% of the websites. So now you can see it has detected the columns here on the bottom side, so we don't need this, we don't need the image, we need the URL, so we don't need that as well. Okay, we need this one. So you can actually choose the things that you need. So here you can see the location as well. Now I'll add the page scroll as well and click on create workflow. After that is done, you can see on your right side a workflow has been created, right? Now here you need to pay attention because if I scroll down, you can see it will do this website as a load more button scrolling method. So we need to click here and then loop click on here, so it can create a pagination that will do the clicking of load more. But one problem will arise if I click on loop item again. You can see it will scroll down, it will just detect 25 listings because the XPath was supposed to just scrap the 25, but we need all the listings. Okay, for that I have crafted this XPath. What is XPath? I won't go into much detail in this video. It's basically where you can pinpoint the exact elements. So in this instance we will be scraping the whole page, detecting it. So this XPath is used for that. If you want a dedicated video on XPath, you can let me know in the comments and I will make a XPath tutorial video. Okay, okay, anyways, now I will copy this XPath, and by the way I will also include this XPath in the description, also in the pinned comment, so you can copy it from there directly. Okay, now we are here on the screen. Once we click on loop item, then we'll in the matching XPath we'll paste in the XPath that I copied, click on apply and click on save. Once that is done, I will click again here and I'll click again here. Now you can see all the listings are now being detected. Okay, here you can see the 50 loop items, so it will just do loop click more and do the scraping automatically for us. Now I will just name the columns as job URL, job title, and this is I think Okay, this is the company that we need, and this is the salary, this is the location, this is the uh, we can see employment, and this is the category. Okay, once that is done, next step we will do is how to clean the data, right? Because we need just the company name, but it's also showing this. Okay, so we need to clean that. For that, we'll click on this column and right click here, and then I will click on clean data, right? After that's on we are on screen, I will copy this one, copy that, and then click on add step here. This will basically, I will click on replace, and then I'll replace this text with nothing. Now click on confirm. You can see in the output preview we will just get the full company name. I'll click on apply, and now you can see you are getting the full company, right? Now another step is to add the actually the clicking, where we need to go to the detail page to scrap the description and the apply URL, right? For that, what we need to do is we have the job URL, right? So you click on enter subpage, or uh, you can click on enter subpage. We can do this, and we can click on confirm. You can see this will open up a pane for us where we can describe the description, other details on the detail page. But another thing you might want to do is click on options, and then untick this, open a new tab, and then load it with AJAX. AJAX is basically, we need to click here and then go back, because if we click in a new tab, the website will break because it's supposed to be in this structure. Okay, now we are on this page. I can see the description, so I'll just click here, and you can see it will detect the whole description for us. Then I will just click on text, right? And I will name this field as description. After that is done, what another step we need to do is once we have clicked on the extract data one, click on options, and then wait before action to 2 seconds. That is usually sufficient because we don't want to be too fast, otherwise the website might block us. Okay, and on the pagination you can see, okay, it will just loop click, and then for scroll page we'll see one more time. Okay, for scrolling you can add 50 pages for now to scroll. And another thing we need to do is click on loop item, click on options, and add as time. Yeah, okay, that's important. Okay, I will now do one more thing, is I will also add the apply URL, because in some listings I will show you what I mean. So if I open any random one from here, okay, now you're getting all the descriptions, but if I find one, I'll let you know. Okay, this is the one where it is saying that we need to click on external link to get the data, right? For that, we click on extract data one again, and now in this instance we'll get the external link. Click on here and then get as a link, right? And also we need this link as well, so click on here and click on link. Okay, now once that is done, I'll just simply click on apply and then click on save and then click on run, and then I'll click on standard mode. Now you will see that it will start running the task for us. Okay, so I'm now stopping the lead at 17 or 18 listing because I just want to show you the results. So now we can see I've stopped it at 18 lines, then I'll click on export. Now after exporting it, you can see we will have different options how to export the data. So I'll export data as Excel, but you can do it as CSV, JSON, XML, or HTML, whatever you need. You can also need to export, you can also export it to databases, but for that I believe you need to have a premium account of Octoparse. Okay, anyways, we'll click on confirm. Okay, so you can see we have got the listings. So if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more web scraping and other tutorials. And thank you for watching.